Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi, Bunnybun. Hi, Max. Welcome to my small but cozy home. Let me show you around, room by
Woohoo!
room.
Let's go inside!
Do we get to sing too?
Of course, and we'll spot all the cool stuff in each room.
This is the living room, cozy and bright. We read books and play at night. Watch some cartoons, chat with family, snuggle on a sofa with a cozy cat. With a cozy cat. In the kitchen we cook with care. Yummy food is everywhere. Bake some cookies, make a treat, something yummy for us to eat. This is my bedroom, soft and neat, a comfy place where I rest at night. Time to sleep, time to dream, under my blanket, cozy as can be. Brush your teeth and wash your face, splash, splash, bubbles all over the place. Scrub a dub, dub, clean and bright, now we're clean and feeling fresh. In the backyard we run and play, jump and swing all through the day. Plant some flowers, watch them grow, feel the sunshine, go, go, go.
Hey, friends. After seeing all the rooms in Tilly's house, did you notice all the cool things inside? Let's remember what we found in each room. In the living room, we saw a bookshelf, a comfy sofa, a TV, a bright lamp, and a cozy cat. In the kitchen, we had a yummy time with the oven, a big mixing bowl, a cold fridge, a spoon and spatula, and a hot cookie tray. The bedroom was so comfy. We found a bed with a blanket, a pillow, a glowing nightlight, a cuddly teddy bear, and a toy chest. In the bathroom, we brushed and splashed with a toothbrush and toothpaste, looked in the mirror, washed in the sink, dried off with a towel, and saw lots of bubbles. And in the backyard, we had fun on the swing set, watered the flowers with a watering can, felt the warm sun, and ran across the soft grass. Thank you so much for showing us around. I learned a lot.
Yeah, your house is awesome.
But now, it's time for me to go home.
Oh, I'm so glad you came. Come visit again soon, okay?
Bye, Tilly. Bye, Max. See you next time. Thanks for coming along today. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.